can you believe this? A creator who was burning out on YouTube built a business that reportedly brings in around $100,000 a month without relying on sponsorship negotiations and without performing on camera every week. And the weird part? A big chunk of that cash flow traces back to a free feature inside Notion, the little checkbox that says Allow Duplicate. Today, I'll show you how Thomas Frank went from creator burnout to productized freedom, and the exact one-person startup playbook you can reuse, even if you don't have millions of subscribers. Let's get into it. For years, Thomas did what most successful creators do. He built a massive audience teaching productivity, nearly 3 million subscribers on his main channel. At his peak, he was publishing constantly, and sponsorships were strong. But there was a hidden ceiling. More videos meant more editing. More sponsorships meant more deadlines. More growth meant less creative freedom. And eventually, the channel that gave him freedom started to feel like a job you can't quit, because you built a team and a life around the income. That's the creator trap. When your revenue depends on attention, you can't stop producing. Then one day, he noticed something small. A few videos about Notion performed well. Notion wasn't just another app, it was a platform. A place where people were actively searching for, how do I build a habit tracker? How do I organize my tasks? How do I manage content? So he did something most creators avoid. He started a new niche channel from scratch, focused only on Notion. Not to chase views, but to build a system. And this is important. He didn't immediately blast it to his entire main audience. He kept it small, so he could test, learn, and not drown in support. Now here's where the story flips. He built a template for himself, something he actually used. Then he polished it into a product. This is the simplest definition of a great digital product. From your internal system to a packaged product for other people. He launched to a waitlist, reportedly around 3,000 people. And the product did something wild. It generated roughly $90,000 in about 30 days from that email launch. That's not magic. That's not luck. That's a matched pair of high-intent audience who were already searching for Notion solutions with a product that saves time immediately behind it. And suddenly, YouTube wasn't the business. YouTube became the distribution engine. Thomas eventually built 2 premium Notion templates. 1, a personal productivity system, tasks, notes, projects, dashboards. 2, a creator operating system, content planning, production, repurposing, publishing. Different audiences, same underlying promise, less chaos, more output. And the beautiful part is the cost structure. Templates are almost zero to manufacture. You're not shipping boxes, you're not managing inventory, you're selling a system, a piece of organized thinking. So how did his funnel work? Let's break down the engine, because this is the part you can copy. Thomas's niche channel content tends to do 3 jobs. 1, build guides. I'm going to teach you how to build a habit tracker. These often include a free template. 2, new feature videos. People search Notion updates constantly. That creates consistent search traffic. 3, fundamentals. Beginner course content that ranks and brings new people in. Now here is the funnel. First, you watch a helpful video. Then, you grab a free template. If you find it helpful, you join the email list. After that, you get an automated welcome sequence. Finally, you see the premium template as the upgrade path. And convert to a paying customer. This is key. The email list is the business asset, while YouTube is the attention source. Now let me share the part that most people skip, which is often why their digital products don't sell. Thomas personally did customer support, reportedly hours per day early on. Not because he loves support, because support is product research with perfect clarity. Support tells you where users get stuck, what they misunderstand, what features matter, and what language converts. If you want product market fit without guessing, do support yourself in the beginning. That's how you build something people recommend. So what's the lesson here? It's not sell Notion templates, it's the pattern. Here is the one-person startup playbook you can follow. Step 1, pick a niche with existing demand. Not what do I want to talk about, but what are people already searching for weekly? Step 2, teach it for free, then package the system. Teach the build. Give a starter version, then sell the polished, complete system. Step 3, build the email asset. Your email list is your distribution that you own. Algorithms change, email stays. Step 4. Make the product better through support. Support creates retention. Retention creates word of mouth. Word of mouth creates compounding revenue. That's the flywheel. And this is why a small and niche channel can outperform a massive general channel, because niche content attracts people who already want a solution, not entertainment. Now you might be thinking, okay, but I don't have 3 million subscribers. Well, luckily you don't need them. A small audience with the right intent beats a huge audience with vague intent. Here are 5 niche directions. Templates for students, for example, study systems or planners. Health tracking systems like meal, fitness, and habit dashboards. Job search systems, for example, resume pipeline or outreach tracker. Content systems like repurposing workflows or calendars. And business operations like client onboarding, CRM, or project delivery. Your job isn't to invent demand. Your job is to package demand into a product that saves time. Thomas Frank's story isn't just inspiring, it's a blueprint for building a calm one-person business. Use content to earn trust. Use email to own distribution. Use digital products to buy back your time. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like the video. It helps Built by One reach more people who want to build with clarity instead of chaos. And if you want more one-person startup stories, digital product breakdowns, and AI workflows that actually work, subscribe to Built by One. See you in the next episode.